Hello, my dear students. It's your time for social studies class, and we had started the chapter Local Self Government. Under it, we started the urban administration and we studied about municipality in the last class. Today, we will continue with this chapter. I'm not revising that part. I would like you to read through the previous video again for better concepts. So now let's start about the next part in urban administration, which is corporation. Now, while studying about municipality, we also studied that whether there will be a municipality or there will be a municipal corporation, that is decided on the basis of population. In the cities having the population of 1 lakh or more, we have municipality, and we have corporation in the cities having the population of 5 lakh or more. Hence, we know that we might have seen the signs of Junagadh Municipal Corporation. Hence, Junagadh is a corporation, and whether there will be a municipal corporation or there will be a municipality is decided on the basis of population. And the members of corporation, how many number of members will be there, that is also decided on the basis of population. There is a ratio to it, like if there are more numbers in number of people in that city, there will be more members. Now these members of corporation, the elected members who have been chosen by the people, they are known as corporators or councillor. Like we have a local corporator whom we vote from our ward. He or she is called corporator or councillor. And the head of the corporation is called the mayor. Now, the elected corporators, they have an election between them and they select the mayor. So he is the head of the corporation. And there are 8 corporations in Gujarat. Now, during our class, I had asked the student and they gave the correct answers. Only the students named the corporations in Gujarat. But for your information, let me tell you that we have Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Surat, Vadodara, Jamnagar, Rajkot, Junagadh and Bhavnagar. These are the 8 corporations in Gujarat. The composition of the municipal corporation, how it is formed. The corporation is divided into different wards. Now, based on a region, we are divided into different wards. Like in Junagadh, we can say that Karimabad society is in ward number 2. So that way, based on the locality and the population, the wards are divided. A ward is the area having population up to 75,000. That means maximum 75,000. There are 4 members from that particular ward. Out of them, 50% are reserved for female members. So there will be 2 male and 2 female members. All voters in the city can vote in polls and elect their own local corporator. Voters are same for all the elections. 18 plus, that means you can vote. Members elected from different wards elect the mayor through majority. I explained this in the previous slide that the elected corporators, they have an election and they select the mayor. The mayor holds his or her post for 2.5 years. Now, the the local elections are for 5 years, but the position for mayor, the tenure for mayor, that is for 2.5 years. Afterwards, there will be another mayor. So, this is the composition of the corporation. Now, the administration of municipal corporation. Various committees are formed from elected members, among which standing committee is the most important. In the previous classes, we have studied about the committees starting from the panchayat levels. Like here also, corporation, it is the biggest level for cities. So here also different committees are there from which the standing committee is the most important. Standing committee is can be called, it is a continuous committee, and there is a fixed panel of members, so who are working on the front line of everything. So it is the most important, and the administrative head of the municipal corporation is considered as municipal commissioner, and he is appointed by the state government, the one who handles the administration of the municipal corporation. He is municipal commissioner, and he is appointed by the state government. The mayor was selected from the people, he is elected by the people. So his qualification or his experience does not matter much, but the state government, for better administrative handling, we have the municipal commissioner who is appointed by the state government. The functions of municipal corporation. There is more population in city, so the work has to be done with more responsibility for the development and well-being of the citizens. The basic functions of municipal corporations are maintenance of public hygiene and sanitation. Not only in villages but even in cities, we can see public toilets, and they are used or they are made at such distances that everybody can use it. They are easily available for all. Provision and distribution of pure drinking water. Villages may be close to river sources, but not all the cities are close to river sources, or even if it is nearby, everybody cannot get drinking water easily. So it is the task of the corporation to provide pure drinking water to each and every citizen of that city. Drainage system, sewage, cleanliness, and disposal of garbage. We know the drainage system, we have studied about it. It's the gutters and how they should be maintained. Cleanliness and disposal of garbage. We all have seen cleanliness workers who take garbage from our home, the vans which are getting emptied, or the public bin for throwing garbage. All these things are to be properly taken care of. Construction and maintenance of roads. Well, we basically actually curse the government for not maintaining the roads properly, but it is their department and they are doing their job well. Second, arrangement of street lights. In the cities, we all can see that the street lights, which areas should have more street lights or which should have less, which area needs that, though there are no street lights, maybe they need to start constructing there. Arrangement of primary education. Now, as per the government schemes, each and every child has the right for primary education, but to avail that right, there should be proper schools as well. So the corporation makes sure that there is arrangement of primary education. Then construction of libraries, playgrounds and gardens. The public gardens or the public playgrounds and the public libraries, they are made by the corporation. Control adulteration in the edible items. Edible items means the items which can be eaten. And adulteration. Adulteration means mixing or cheating. So if there is adulteration, if there is cheating done by shopkeepers or hotel owners or the food vendors, then there are certain food inspectors who inspect all these places and they stop them or they fine them so that the health of the citizens is not affected. And last is registration of birth, death and marriages. All these kind of certificates are got for each citizen. It is their right and it is their duty, and it is the function of the corporation that all the births, all the deaths and the marriages are properly registered. After this, we studied about collector in school, but for videos, students who are studying this from home, You will be studying about collector, mamlatdar and lok adalats in the next video. So for today, you just have to revise about corporations. From this link that the video which I have given, I have used the correct words which will be there. In your textbook, you will find certain words are not used properly, like where there should be corporation or where there should be municipal corporation, only municipality has been written. That has been the printing mistake by the textbooks. So change the necessary words and revise well. That's it for today. Just go through this presentation once again, go through this video and let me know if you guys are having any doubts. There's nothing more to be done. Just enjoy your day. Wait, there is one more thing. In your today's homework, I will be giving you the assignment. Recently, if you are aware, yesterday in Gujarat, the elections were held for municipal corporations, or as the word which is frequently used in the newspapers is the Mahanagarpalika. So, you have to write which corporations in Gujarat had the elections yesterday, that is on the date of 21st February 2021. Which corporations had these elections? That will be your homework for today. You can ask your parents or you can Google it up. So just answer and after that you can enjoy your day. Bye.